Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about formatting option in Visual. In our previous video, we have learned how we can create visual in Power BI. Now let's see in this video how we can use different formatting option. So let me create any visual. So let's see if I take this visual and if I select category and sales, so there are different things, different formatting option. So if you see here in the x-axis and y-axis as well, size of text is very small, so we are not able to properly visual this. So let me show you the different formatting option. So if you see here this one, format your visual. So this is the one where you need to do all formatting. So this is the visual option and this is the formatting. So you will just click here and you have like different x-axis, y-axis, grid lines, zoom slider, columns, data labels, float area background. So you have different options. So let's see one by one. So let me open this x-axis, basically this one where you are seeing this technology furniture. So let me increase the size of this visual as well. So if I click on x-axis and I can see the font type as well as the size. So let's say I can increase 9 to let's say 20. So see, now it is more visual. I can basically as per requirement, I can select 24, 25 or whatever. Okay, similarly, I can change the basically type as well, like Arial black, Arial or whatever. By default, it is this one. Okay, I have also option to do bold, so I can click here on bold, and I can do italic if I need to, use underline, so I can use that as well. Okay, okay. So next option I have color, so you can see this is basically black color. If I need to change the color, so I can change the text color as well, orange or whatever I want. So generally in real time, client also provide us a code, color code. So what we can do, we can click on more color and just copy and paste the code here. So it's depend on the requirement. Okay. So let's do the black or yeah. Okay. And now area height. So if I increase area height, I can decrease area height. Now this is the title. So if you see this category title is coming. If you don't want to see, you can basically by default it is on. You can off this. So now it is not coming. So you can basically change the or you can disable the type title if you don't want to see, or you can if you want to change like you want to increase the size of title, let's say 20, so you can increase the title size as well. And again you can change the font size as well, font type as well as size, as well as this detail, bold, italic, and as per your business requirement you can change. Also this is auto now. By default it is coming. If you want to give another name, so you can give, let's say I want to give name category by sales. Let's see. So if you don't want auto, you can change the name here as well. Okay. And color also you can change. Reset to default. So I basically I can, let's say I don't want to do any setting. I can click here on reset to default. So it is reset it to default. So now let me change 20 or 25, and here also I can change, let's say 30, or I can disable if I don't want. Okay, now let's move into the y-axis. So y-axis also, so what happens, sometimes we don't want to see even axis. So what we can do, we can off this axis, so we will not see. So it's again depend on the requirement. If we want to see but want to make changes, any formatting option, so we can click here and we can change here the different options. Okay, so if I click on values, so again I have this option. Let's say I want to make this 30, so see size is increase. Okay, and color I can also change like that one. And display unit, it is coming in the million in auto. If I want to, let's say, change it to in thousands, so it will come like this. Or I can auto basically Power BI by default takes. And other than that, we can choose different option like none it will take as per the data, thousands and millions trillions. So you can select whatever option you want to select as per the requirement. Also decimal places, if you don't want, you can select here. Okay, and if I go up, so you are seeing this minimum and maximum, this is auto. So if you want to change here as well, you can do here as well. So let's say 1, and let's say 2. So it is coming like, it is changing like 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 like this. So as per the requirement, you can change. Okay, I can make this whatever required as per the basically, or you have this option as well, switch axis position. So it can switch the axis position. So earlier by default it is on left, it can come here to right. Again, this is the title option, so you can make this off if you don't want to show this sale here, or if you want to put dynamic, or not dynamic, to put anything else like sales by category, so you can do. So this way you can select, and similarly you can change the font and the color and the size, and this is the style, so title only. So whatever you want, you can select from here as per the business requirement. Okay, so let me minimize this. Now other option is grid line. So if I click on grid line, so grid line is dotted. Okay, if you want to see dashed, and if you want to see solid, so basically it is not showing because it is on this page white, this it is on white background. So I will show you this option in the next video. Okay, and other than that, we have this zoom slider. I can on this zoom slider by axis, and I can basically do like this. If I like if I need to maximize the range or minimize the range, so I can use this zoom slider option. Okay, other than that, I have this column bar option. So if you are seeing this is coming into the blue color, but if you want to move into the another color, let's say orange or gray or black or pink, so you can select. And uh, additionally you can select color code if client has provided you. whatever. You can just copy paste here. Okay. And other than that, we have this data labels. So data labels is off right now, so you can on the data labels, so it is showing here. Again, you can change the data labels. By default, it is in auto position. You can basically change inside end, so it will come in the end. You can inside center, so it will come into the center. So whatever your requirement, you can select. Okay, if you want to show this here. Okay, and then values. So values also, if you click here, you are seeing this one like this. But if you want to see in the millions, so now if you click here, it will come. It is coming into the 0.84 million. So if you do none, so it will come as in whatever the value, and billions, trillions. You can select option again as per the business requirement. Okay, and if I this background is off, if I click here on background on, so by default it is showing black and transparency is 90. Okay, so see, if I made the transparency change, then color of this is this value is changed, basically this data label. Okay, so you can make changes again as per the requirement. Let's say orange, and then so like this you can change. Okay, plot background. So if you see this plot background, so I have this option browse. So if you have some theme or some like additionally client has provided you background, so you can use that as well. Yeah, so that's it for this video. We have some more formatting option left, so we will discuss about the same in the next video. I hope this is helpful. Thank you guys.